Hey, what's up investors? Dean here. It's been a crazy few weeks in the market. The market has been going down quite a bit. And let me tell you, when I wake up in the morning and check my stocks, it's not a pretty sight. The reason why I check them in the morning is because I'm in Australia and the New York Stock Exchange is open while I sleep. One company that has been giving me some hardship recently is Genius Brands. I've seen them consistently go down for about a month now, but it seems to be an eternity. However, I haven't sold any shares. I am bullish on this company. I think that they will be a lot bigger than where they are today. They have such a fantastic CEO, such a great management team. They're making all the right partnerships, all the right moves, and there's a lot of catalysts that I can see running the stock up over the long term. The reason why I think it's dropping right now is because of obviously the whole market seems to be down. People are scared, people are selling, people are thinking, is this a crash? And it's very easy to sell the penny stocks because obviously they're the higher risk. So they're also going to be the ones that are going to drop down the most. However, I'm not worried about this. I'm not selling, I'm holding my shares. But you should do as you please because I am not a financial advisor and this video is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. Now, right now, Genius, we're trading at $1.57 a share, which is a lot lower than when we were at the start of the month. And what's crazy is their 52-week high of $11.73. However, this has nothing to do with the company fundamentally. This was it becoming a bit of a meme stock. But what you should look at here is just don't worry about this big dip. Just ignore this for a second. It's the fact that we're still up over 480%. And this is the perfect segue into an article that thinks that we don't deserve to be at these current prices. Avoid Genius Brand stock ahead of the inevitable dump. Meme stock mania may have cooled down, but overhyped Genius Brands stock continues to trade at an inflated valuation. The children's entertainment company faces big hurdles. Not only does it face competition from the self-dominated media conglomerates, big tech moves into streaming make it tough to compete as well. Yet investors continue to overestimate how much potential this company's media properties and streaming app truly have. The situation today isn't as ridiculous as it was last summer. Back in June, Genius Brand shares went to the moon, soaring from less than $1 a share up to prices in the double digits. That was that whole meme stock thing that I just showed you. While shares aren't as inflated now as they were nearly a year ago, don't expect today's prices to last. Lacking the financials to back up its current valuation, expect Genius Brand stock to tumble after this recent pump shifts into an inevitable dump. With little room to gain but plenty room to fall, continue to avoid this stock. This is a fair argument. Genius Brands is up a lot more than they were a year ago. We also have to factor in that their profitability right now definitely doesn't make sense to the current valuation. However, investors have access to all this data, all this information, and these days we're trying to do what investors have always done, but we're trying to do it even further now, and that's try to predict the future. When you're investing in a company, you're literally trying to predict the future. Do I see this company as being big? Do I see them being worth more than they are today? And that's why I feel that this price is so high. If you look at the stock chart, since September, we've been up and down, but we've been trading relatively sideways. If this article was correct, wouldn't this dump have already happened right now? I don't think so. I think there are a lot of investors in this stock who are holding it because they see the potential that it has. By the way, if you want to know who Genius Brands are, I've got a few videos on them on this channel. I'd highly recommend you watch them. I'll leave them at the end of this one. But Genius Brands International, in my opinion, has a long way to go. This is just the beginning, okay? They might drop down a bit more over the next few months, maybe even 6 months, who knows? However, personally, I've got a price target of this company to be at least $4.50 a share. I think that they're going to be trading up and down for a while now, but when the right catalysts come up and the right news comes out, this company will definitely be a lot higher where they are than where they are today. And analysts agree with what I'm saying. Currently, there is only one analyst covering the stock, but they have a price target of $4.50, which is exactly where I think they deserve to be. I really believe in this company. I believe in what they're doing, the connections they have with Stan Lee, with Warren Buffett, with Shaquille O'Neal, with Arnold Schwarzenegger. They're making all the right moves, all the right partnerships. They've recently signed a PR team who hasn't done much yet. However, I'm pretty sure that we'll start seeing some things come out in the future that will definitely help boost this stock price. That's all for this video, guys. Check out my other videos on Genius Brands. They'll be at the end of this one. I'd highly recommend them. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications because we're going to continue covering this stock. So turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Till next time, have a good one.